This session of the legislative body is now called to order. We are here to deliver the final decision on the impeachment case filed against the current secretary.
After careful examination of the evidence and testimonies presented during the hearing, the body has completed its deliberation.
The members of this chamber have now cast their votes regarding the impeachment charges.
By the required majority vote, the chamber has found the secretary guilty of the charges stated in the articles of impeachment. Therefore, the secretary is hereby removed from office, effective immediately.
Namura din naman ka, friend. Sabi mo.
Classmate man ka. Ha? Engineering man ko.
No, bonsai man ka.
Sure, oy. Nagdoon ako sa parliamentary procedure. Ha? Naitong anan? As inong, gano'n.
Hala, dili na namumit si sir. Uy, dili na namumit si sir.
O sige, mamulit na lang ka.
Tara, tara. Dali ka ta.
Following the removal of the secretary from the office, the agency has formally declared the position vacant.
And in order to maintain transparency and fairness, our government will announce the vacancy to the public.
The vacancy for the secretary position will now be posted on an official notice board as well as on our website.
This concludes the impeachment proceedings. The meeting is now adjourned.
Ha? Clumps? Di ba engineering ko? Isa ba ang naa sa clumps? Bullseye, Baels, Marine Bio. Nag-bullseye pa ko? Nagtabi sila sila ni Nicole. Guys!
you organized, responsible, and ready to take on a leadership role? The School Publication Club is looking for a next secretary. If you've got great communication skills and love keeping things organized, then we're looking for you. Join us for the interview this coming March 19, 2026 at the SSG office. Step up, show your potential, and be part of something amazing. See you there!
So are you the applicants for the school publications?
Yes, I.
So based on your resume, wala ka experience sa school publications sa mga previous years. So what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is my body, and my weakness is my mouth.
Okay. So if we will hire you, what can you contribute in this publication?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I pride myself on being the backbone in the office. I'm highly organized. I enjoy managing schedules, and I'm the type of person who stays calm when three things happen at once. That's all, thank you.
Okay, we'll get in touch with you. Thank you. Next. So tell me about yourself, Mr. Mohammed.
I am Norham Dirampata Najim Wyman, and I live in Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte, and I'm a dedicated student in my department.
So based on your resume, you are eager to gain experience. So if we will hire you, what can you contribute in this school publication?
I work to create diverse events like theme nights, study breaks with light refreshment for small cultural showcases that add value to campus life. And lastly, ma'am, I can dance.
At dahil dyan, mayroon kang 5 pitik with soft moves.
Okay, next. So please introduce yourself briefly and explain your qualifications.
My name is Sharamay Lagari Awid. I have several years of experience in publication. I am committed to serve the publication with integrity, transparency, and dedication.
So what plans do you have if you will be appointed in this position?
If I am appointed as secretary, I will keep records organized, take clear meeting minutes, and make sure everyone is updated on important information. I will also help the team to stay on track with schedules and tasks. Thank you.
Okay, we'll get in touch with you. Thank you. Next.
Good day, everyone. This session is hereby called to order. Today we'll be conducting the evaluation of the applicant's resume for the position of secretary. And after that, we will proceed for the final voting for appointment.
Noted, Madam Chair. The attendance has been recorded and we have a quorum.
Thank you. We will now proceed for the evaluation of applicants. May Honorable Amoy present the list of applicants.
Yes, Madam Chair. The applicants for the position are as follows: Gisette Quinones, Norha Muhaymen, Shara Awi.
We shall now review each applicant's qualifications, experience, and credentials. Let us now begin. Having reviewed all applicants, the floor is now open for evaluation proper.
Madam Chair, based on the qualification experience of applicant 1, her educational background and leadership in previous role prove that she is capable to hit the ground without learning curve.
Yes, you are recognized.
I would like to disagree. We don't need someone who just follows existing duties. We need a disruption with a fresh and technical perspective.
That has been duly noted. Thank you. What about the applicant number 2?
Madam Chair, for the applicant 2, he combines competence with character. His initiative and alignment with our goals make him the only choice.
Yes, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, alignment can lead to an echo chamber. Why choose the well-rounded candidate when we might need a specific specialist to solve our crisis?
Okay, thank you. What about the applicant number 3?
Madam Chair, members in this noble house, I firmly believe that applicant 3 is fit for this position simply because she has shown maturity by making sound decisions under pressure. And based on records, she doesn't just command, but collaborates with integrity.
I agree, Madam Chair, that applicant number 3 takes that excellence further.
Okay, thank you. Any final remarks? Hearing twice, once, none? Let us now proceed with the voting session. Honorable Amoy, please explain the voting procedures.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Members will cast their votes by raising their hand. The candidate who received the majority of votes shall be appointed to the position.
All those in favor of applicant 1, please raise your hands. Okay. Applicant 2? Okay. Applicant 3? Okay. For the required majority vote, the applicant number 3 is hereby appointed for the position of secretary. Congratulations. There being no further business, the meeting is now adjourned. Kindly raise your right hand as we proceed with the oath taking. I state your name.
I, Shara May Awin, do hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully
fulfill my duties and responsibilities
to the best of my ability.
And that I will work for the betterment and success of the organization
and its members.
So help me God.
You are now officially appointed as Secretary in School Publication. Congratulations.
Malalate na ko. Kaya ko to.
Mahal namin siya! Aming tanging ina! Mahal namin siya! Mula nang mabiyuda sa tatlo kong papa, pati maging ama, ay pinapilan ko na sa anak kong sandusena. Diyos ko po nakakaloka ang maging tanging ina. Aming tanging ina!
Kaya ko to.
Mahal namin siya! Aming tanging ina! Mahal namin siya! Ang bahay ang dumi, tambak pa ang laundry, magluluto pa ako ng hapunan. Pero fine, it's okay, wala akong masin. Teka, magbubunot pa ako ng floor. Ha? Naku, nakakahay, it's a blessing in the sky.
Kapuya to eh.
And success of the organization. School Publication Club. In School Publication
Also help the team stay on track with
I got appointed, right? Or maybe not. It wasn't real. Was this the real one?